it's multiple causes, but this is a definite hot spot, and we can see where the activity is affecting the wildlife.
At Naples Pier, potential changes could be fast approaching. Changes that would see the pier closed for fishing. It's in an effort to help protect wildlife getting hooked, namely pelicans.
We could prevent these injuries if we alter the actions, even just slightly. That will reduce the number of animals being injured, and that's important not only for our organization, but for a lot of the community. We are a very environmentally aware community, so it's a win-win.
It comes through a number of proposals which were presented to the Community Services Advisory Board. They include removal of the bulk fishing license, increasing the pelican patrol coverage, and reducing the amount of time the pier is open for fishing. Ultimately, the board proposed closing the pier for fishing on Wednesdays from January through May on a trial basis. Doing so will help the Conservancy collect data on injured wildlife. The board can then regroup and make a proposal that could become permanent. Not everyone is on board though, as a number of those within the fishing community were present. But as Fitzgerald says, it's about finding common ground.
It is not us against them. It's just trying to just have a little bit of a balance and realize what's happening is affecting these creatures. They do feel pain. The extensive treatments that they need following up from these injuries, it's not they're to the hospital, all's good, no worries. There's a lot of pain and suffering that is endured by these animals.
Last year, about 193 pelicans were admitted to the Conservancy for injuries. It happens, as Fitzgerald says, at an early part of the season, from January until about May, which is the time frame the Advisory Council is recommending the city make their changes.
Anytime people can understand what each other's point of view is, it's a win-win. So I do think it's a step in the right direction, and I hope others will see that as well.
Now, even though the proposal was passed during tonight's meeting, no immediate changes are going to be taking place. The proposal still needs to be approved by the City Council during their next meeting. In Naples, Calvin Lewis, Fox 4.